Incrementally achieving big outcomes. Identify the big goal. Start by clearly defining the big overarching goal you want to achieve. This could be something like a trader performance signature or reaching a certain trading skills milestone. Break it down. Break down the big goal into smaller, more manageable steps. These steps should be specific, measurable, and actionable. Determine your next best action. For each smaller step, identify the very next best action you can take to move forward. These next best actions could be simple, concrete tasks that you can complete in a relatively short period of time. So whenever we ask you to fill in the form, the pre-coaching form, the question form, it's specifically lined up to get you to go through the process, okay? To get you to see what you need to do. It follows a path in your brain. Schedule your next best actions. Create a schedule or timeline for completing your next best actions. Assign specific deadlines, allocate time in your calendar to ensure you stay on track. Celebrate small wins. As you complete the next best action, take a moment to acknowledge and celebrate your progress. This will help you stay motivated, engaged in the process. This is why we do the work. Crunch, 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 stop and meditate. When we stop and meditate, that quiet space allows you to process and absorb the work, okay? So then the neural networks can connect for the new activity. What makes super achievers in trading, sports, arts, or business so relentless in their success? They're all relentless. They prioritize for identity-based success. Define your trader's lifestyle. Clearly define the type of trading strategy and technique trading skills required to live your trader lifestyle. Ensure that the steps to outcome are SMART goals. Identify key tasks. Pinpoint essential tasks and activities that will directly contribute to the achievement of your new trader identity. Focus on the critical few rather than attempting to tackle everything. Prioritize based on impact. Evaluate each task based on potential impact on your new identity. Assign higher priority to tasks that will yield the greatest results, considering factors such as effort, timeline, resource requirements. That's why we say goals don't work. Identity-based priority works, because you create a new identity and you'll defend the identity. That's what we call a new performance ethic. It's identity-based. Eliminate distractions. Identify, minimize, eliminate your tasks and activities that do not directly support your new identity. This will help you maintain focus and allocate your time and energy more effectively. It's ruthless. You must make yourself a priority to become a successful trader. Allocate resources strategically. Ensure that you have the necessary resources, such as time and support structure, to execute your prioritized tasks. Allocate these resources in a way that maximize their impact implementing your new trader identity. Get ruthless about protecting it. You must make yourself a priority.